Hello everyone! Welcome to our special tech segment, where we explore the latest and greatest in innovative technology. Today, we're excited to introduce a revolutionary tool, the Galaxy Smart Moisture Analyzer. The Galaxy Smart Moisture Analyzer is engineered for precision and versatility, offering unparalleled accuracy in moisture measurement. Designed to cater to professionals across various industries, this device combines sophisticated technology with ease of use. Let's dive into its standout feature. It comes with standard accessories, standard weight, pan holder, pan lifter, instruction manual, touch pen. First, consideration is selecting the workspace. Your analytical balance needs to be placed on a steady, stable, vibration-free surface. The balance should not be used near doorways or air vents because it is sensitive enough to be affected by air. Check to see if the balance is level. Adjust the feet unit. The air bubble is inside the black ring. First up, the Galaxy Smart Moisture Analyzer features an intuitive touchscreen interface. This user-friendly display makes it easy to navigate through settings and monitor your measurements effortlessly. It also incorporates halogen light heating technology. This ensures rapid and consistent drying of samples, with the added benefit of adjustable temperature and time settings, allowing you to customize each test to meet your specific needs. One of the standout features is its ability to store up to 100 data records. This means you can track and review past results with ease, ensuring a comprehensive analysis of your samples over time. Let's add one sample. Next, we'll move on to the setup option, which contains several important settings, including weighing settings and calibration settings. Let's click on calibration settings to explore further. In the calibration settings, you'll find two calibration modes. 1. Single calibration. This mode is straightforward and is done using a single standard weight. 2. Linear calibration. This mode is a bit more advanced, as it requires the use of multiple standard weights to ensure accuracy across a range of measurements. Moving forward, the setup menu also includes several other important options. Print settings, date and time, statistics, system settings. This is a key area with several important sub-options: user management, audit trail, backlight, and sound. Returning to the main menu, let's look at the statistics option. Here, you can calculate the maximum value, minimum value, and average value of your saved data. You'll see the temperature option, which shows the current temperature inside the chamber. Let's take a quick look at the three drying methods offered by the MB7000: standard, fast, and soft. Now let's talk about the shutdown criteria for the MB7000 Moisture Analyzer. These criteria define when the instrument stops heating and considers the measurement complete, ensuring accurate and reproducible results. The MB7000 offers three shutdown options: manual, auto, timed. The instrument automatically shuts off at a preset time during analysis. For example, you can set it to shut off after 9 minutes. How to take moisture measurement? Let's first prepare our samples. For solids, spread powdery or grainy samples evenly on the dish. If the sample is coarse, grind it without generating heat to avoid moisture loss. We have taken our sample and spread evenly on the pan. To update the sample name and ID, simply click on the option provided. Enter the new values, and you're all set. This ensures your sample information is accurate and up to date. First, we will set the drying temperature by clicking here. Input the desired temperature using the keypad shown on the screen. Now select the shutdown criteria by choosing from the drop-down menu. Click on Auto. Click the Run option to start the drying and measurement. Then, simply wait until the process is complete. Once the measurement is complete, click the Save option to store your reading. This will ensure your data is recorded and easily accessible for future reference. To print the data, simply click on the Print option. This will allow you to get a physical copy of your results for documentation or review it. Switch between different information. Click on the Switch option that indicates sample weight, drying weight, moisture percent, solid percent.